Glaciers are melting, sea levels are rising, droughts are more frequent, and extreme weather events more common. This is climate change in action. And you've heard it all before. But a major report just came out that looks at how close we are to this irreversible damage. And it's looking bad. Real bad. Back in 2015, the world's leaders came together to solidify a plan to combat climate change. The resulting Paris Agreement set a goal to hold the increase of global average temperature to well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, and added the intent of limiting the temperature increase to 1.5 degrees Celsius. But now, in October of 2018, the UN Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, or the IPCC, compiled the results of over 6,000 scientific studies and released a new report. The main takeaway? At our current rate, global average temperature is likely to rise 1.5 degrees Celsius as early as 2030. This means we only have 12 years to make drastic changes, or we'll miss our target. The difference between 1.5 and 2 may seem small, and it's hard to imagine how half a degree could make much of an impact. But using climate models, scientists can predict what half a degree actually means for our planet. And, well, it means a lot. First, there's the Arctic. At 1.5 degrees warming, Arctic sea ice will last through most summers. But at 2 degrees, ice-free summers become 10 times more likely. This would not only be devastating for Arctic wildlife, but would reduce the albedo, or the amount of light being reflected away from the Earth, causing even more warming. Ice melt coupled with rising temperatures means sea level rise. At 1.5 degrees warming, average sea level rise could be somewhere between 26 and 77 centimeters. At 2 degrees, that range could go up a whole 10 centimeters. That change could expose about 10 million more people to harmful flooding than if warming stays at 1.5.